Hello, in this video, I'm going to analyze the schematic diagram of the amplifier. The amplifier uses the two symmetrical sources, plus 50 volts and minus 50 volts, when the signal is a positive voltage here. The transistor above will work. The transistor on the bottom will not work when the signal is a negative voltage here. This transistor on the bottom will work. The transistor above will not work. Now you can see when the signal is a positive voltage enter here. This transistor will conduct electricity. So the voltage here will be low. So this transistor will conduct electricity. This transistor will also conduct electricity. This transistor will conduct electricity. The current will flow through the plus 50 volts flows through the transistor resistor to the coil of the speaker to the ground. The diaphragm of the speaker will push out. When the signal is a negative voltage here, this transistor will not work. So this transistor will not work. But this transistor will work because there is the capacitor here. And the two diodes are connected in series. The transistor conducts electricity, so the voltage here will be low. So this transistor will conduct electricity. This transistor will conduct electricity. The current will flow from the ground, flows through the coil of the speaker, through the transistor to the negative voltage here, the negative 50 volts. The diaphragm will push in. This capacitor and resistor is the auxiliary load and cannot be without it. This transistor and some components around here is the negative feedback circuit. While you repair any amplifier, before you replace the big transistors, you should check carefully some components in front of them. Now you should remember about this. This video is here to end. I wish you a successful repair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. Bye-bye.